Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 2292 of Watch It. Back home again. Got home late last night, so I'm a little tired today. And I have a ton to catch up on today. We had technological issues and challenges with internet and things while traveling. So I think I'm about 4 days behind on catching up. Created my videos every day, but didn't get them posted every day. So I'll catch up on posting, catch up on a LinkedIn group that I work with, and commenting and sharing and liking and finding their stuff and reading it and consuming it, because I love to do that. Incredible humans that keep me wise and learning. And today created a couple of pieces of content. Of course, this piece is documenting my journey, what I'm doing, what I'm working on, etc. And my mom's ill right now, so my sisters and I are helping her through some health challenges. And so that means my schedule has been blown up, which is awesome, because we need to blow up our schedules sometimes and work on what's really important. And to me, family is really important. So my family's always going to come first. And then all the other stuff I do. So today for content, we're doing the Let's Grow annual challenge this year. And we are talking about different levels of consciousness and mental growth this month. It's Mental Growth May. And we're focusing on everything thought, mindfulness, mental, etc., different topics every day. In the last few days, we've been talking about these different levels of consciousness. Talked about the superconscious first, then we talked about the subconscious and the unconscious, and today we talked about the conscious mind. We're just paying attention today to how much we pay attention to versus all the things that we observe with our senses that get stored in our subconscious and conscious that impacts us and the decisions and the thoughts and the actions that we take and what we feel that we don't even realize is going on a conscious level. So we were talking about that today. Our topic for Supersize Your Business was 3D printing, which I think I've mentioned before. I love manufacturing, always have been interested in how things were built, how they work, etc. And that's why I went into manufacturing in school and in college. And after college, my first several jobs were in manufacturing. I had an Italian food manufacturing business for 35 years, as well as worked in corporate America and had a bunch of different businesses. But manufacturing is one of my true loves. I love manufacturing. So 3D printing is super exciting because it allows us to test and customize and iterate and do versions of things, be really precise. It has lots of advantages, and it has some disadvantages, but the same disadvantages that exist for any other innovative thing that we're applying. So it was a good example of, here's a specific technology that you can apply to specific industries. Would it work for yours? And here's the process you use, the strategies you use to apply that or any other innovative technology, right? So that was today's Supersize Your Business. I'm sure I was a little sleepier than usual for my videos, but that's okay, because some days we're up, some days we're down, some days we're all around. All right. If I can help you anyway, hit me up and ask. Otherwise, I will be catching up today and catching up with family here. Otherwise, that's it. Have an awesome day. And I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.